What you're looking at is the amount of stretch in this upper chain, the used chain, versus the new one. Notice we're talking almost a full link longer. See, because this should be where the end is, where this end is. It should be right here. So we're talking that much longer because they're starting perfectly even at the top. So as it goes along, look at the one on top. It starts getting longer and longer. Slowly but surely, it keeps getting longer. This is why the sprocket starts to get worn out prematurely. So if you keep a newer chain on your sprockets, they won't, and a good quality chain as well, it won't wear out the sprocket as soon. I mean, yeah, you know, it's always good to go swap them all out at the same time, but notice that this sprocket is still in good condition. But the chain is definitely stretching, and that's what really wears out the sprocket. Okay, I just wanted to, you know, a lot of people don't realize how much stretch goes on, and this bike only has about 10 or so hours on it. You can see it right there. It's starting to get longer and longer on the top. So by halfway down the chain, it's already half a link, almost half a link longer than the new one. And by the end, it's already a full link longer. Okay? Just wanted to show you guys that stuff. That's why it's important to stay on top of your, your chain. Make sure it's adjusted properly, lubed properly, kept clean. And as soon as you see it start pulling off the rear of the sprocket, it's time to swap it out. We got more stuff about this bike, so check out the thumbnail link at the end of this channel, or at the end of this video, and all kinds of stuff on our channel regarding dirt bikes, motorcycles, street bikes, Harleys, Yamaha stuff, Honda stuff, all kinds of stuff, cars, trucks. Check out our channel. Subscribe, like, follow. We're always adding something new. You'll have a good day. We'll see you.